you got?
All right, this is another popular, frozen to fried favorite. I'm making frozen breaded onion rings even better by wrapping them in bacon. Yes. So you take your standard, frozen onion rings here that you get in the freezer section right out of the bag, and you take this, depending on the size, it takes about 2 pieces of bacon.
What?
Right, you want to pull this right from the, fridge and start working pretty quickly because, bacon's got a lot of fat in it and starts kind of, a little harder. Yeah, room temp might. Yeah, exactly. So you can see how easy it is to literally just wrap it, overlapping a little bit, just like that. I mean, and that's
wrong.
it. And what you do is you put it on a wire rack sheet pan here, and you bake this at 375 for 15 minutes. That bacon's gonna get super crispy. And look at those beauties right there. Put me out to sea and let the ship sink, because this is gonna be my life raft right here.
Oh my gosh.
I wouldn't mind this, getting thrown in the pool.
It's hot and glistening.
And that's why we put it on the wire rack sheet, so even circulation of air, gets soggy once it's on the direct sheet there. You don't do that. It was hot.
Can you hear my crunch?
Yeah.
This is eating onion rings just so I can eat 2 slices of bacon at one time. This is so wrong. It's so right.
Love it.
Yeah, you have to do this mashup from your freezer section. This is really, really great. Great appetizers for your game night.